Welcome to general foam rolling. We're going to begin with the lower body. To roll out your calves, you can do this both at one time or you can do them individually. To roll out your shins, you want to be on top of the foam roller, making sure you're going all the way from your ankles to your knees. To foam roll the outside of your leg, you want to be laying sideways on the foam roller, making sure you're going the full length. For the hamstrings, you can do this both legs at once or individually, and you want to make sure you're getting the full length of the hamstring. To roll out your IT band, you want to be laying sideways on the foam roller, and you want to roll all the way from your hip to the outside of your knee. For your quads, you want to be laying on the foam roller, rolling all the way from your knees up to your hips. There are two ways to roll out your glutes. The first one is by sitting on the foam roller and rotating until you feel it. And the second way is by sitting on the foam roller and doing a figure 4 stretch to target one side versus the other. Moving on to the midsection, we're going to start with the lower back. For this, you want to lift up your body weight and be rolling on your mid to lower back. For the upper back, you want to have all your body weight on the foam roller, keeping your hands on your chest and rolling from the mid back to the upper back. To roll your back vertically, as well as do a pec stretch, you want to lay on the foam roller in line with your spine and just relax and let your arms go to the side. Moving on to the upper body. For this first one, you're going to be rolling out your lats. You want to be laying sideways on the foam roller and have your arm out, bracing you onto the ground. To roll out your pecs, you want to be laying chest down to the ground and on the foam roller, and you want to roll out the full length of the muscle. To roll the triceps, you want to be laying sideways on the ground, rolling with the foam roller all the way from your elbow to your armpit.